Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from Rockscale Design. What do we have here today? All right, today I'll be opening up with my Benchmade Bugout. This is one of those Smoky Mountain Knife work exclusives in M4, CPM M4 blade steel. Nice hard steel. All right, so let's take a look here. Typically there's some personal information on the side, so we'll keep that to the side. So this looks like we've got a screw set for Benchmade Bugout. Oh, a titanium flat backspacer for a Bugout. And okay, and a lanyard. All right, so let's take a look what we got here. Interesting. I wonder what Bugout this could be for. All right, so let's start off here. Oops, it's a little stuck there. So in here we have some stuff, and let's look at the scales first. Oh. Look at that, nice and smooth scales. No lanyard hole. Look at that, beautiful, like that. All right, so let's move this off to the side. And what else do we have in here? This might be a very kind of a nice look. So let's see, what do we got? All right, so we got some black hardware, a black backspacer, and a cool clip here. Look at that. All right, so let's take a look. This is one of their new designs. This is a new clip. I was going to try that out. I don't know if I like it, and it's not that I wouldn't like it, it's just it's not deep carry. So I have a Lynch clip deep carry titanium one that's as a backup just in case, because I like deep carry. I like to have it deep carry, but we'll see. We'll see how it works, okay? So this is my backup. I'll put it off to the side. And then wanted to offset it with some black hardware. Look at this right here. RSD Rockscale, made in the USA. This is so cool. All right, so let's go ahead and dig right into this. So I know for a fact this is a T10, and then the rest are T6s. So there's the T10 and there's the T6s. So let's go ahead and take this thing apart. I'll put these over here for now. So for some of this video, I may speed up just so I don't have to wait for it. Now, one thing I didn't focus on real quick, just to interrupt here, is you saw on the inside of the scale, there were 3 holes you could see on the inside on the left side. If you reach out to Rockscale Design and ask them and say, hey, can you, by any chance, make me a left-handed version? I believe he can. So you just got to reach out to them and talk to them, and they would be able to help you out. I think that would be definitely really cool, something to consider. All right, so let's take a look what this clip looks like. That's the clip like that. And then we have a Spyderco clip. So deep carry is going to be like that or like that. So let's try that one first. Pretty dead center, but a little tight on the pivot. Let's loosen that up just a bit. All right, so here we are. Titanium scales, beautifully polished all the way around. This new clip looks really functional. It's going to be about yay deep carry. I like the black hardware because it's already black hardware. And I thought it would be kind of like a nice zebra look, you know? Or I guess some people call this, what's that thing for Star Wars? The clone soldier or whatever. I think that's going to be really nice. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's really nice and polished. It's a nice, is it like a satin finish? Yeah, it's like a satin finish. Definitely polished all the way around. Nice. Backspacer here with the black. I really wanted the black spacer to complement the blade, right? So that's the reason why I chose not all polished all the way around, because this was a polished blade and had all clear hardware, that would be different. But I wanted it to kind of have a matching theme, right? The outside, this is this polished look, and then the inside is all this dark, powerful goodness. There we go, look at that. It'll break in, and I gotta set the pivot, so I think we're all good. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hardware, make sure we save everything. I don't wanna lose any of this original hardware. Standoffs, because I replaced the standoffs with Backspacer, right? Then we're going to take the clip over here, at least the lynch clip. I'll take that out, I'll put that in there, and I'll put the lynch clip in here for now. We're going to try it. I'm going to try it with this clip, and then I'll try it with that clip and see which one I go with. I got to admit, that clip has more of an aesthetic that matches the scales, for sure. So, yeah, I might be convinced. I might absolutely be convinced. And you know, the thing is, it's a nice milled clip, if nothing else. If you're looking for a titanium milled clip for a Benchmade, there you go, man. That's a good one. It really is. So we'll go ahead and put all this stuff back over here. We'll put the original OD green scales back in here because we will save them just in case we ever decide to retrofit it or something, right? Sometimes that happens. I'm going to put all that in here, that in here. We'll save the scales because we can always use those scales for something else. Put that off to the side. Now the only thing that I want to do is I want to put a little Loctite on that pivot so it can stick. So let me take that off real quick. Put a little oil in there. All right, I think we're done. There we go, man. Just close that up. Put that away. That away. That was a super quick swap, wasn't it? Put the hardware over there. Get that all out of the way. Put our Loctite away. I may have to Loctite some of the other screws, but we'll see. I won't worry about that right now. All right, so here is the knife. This is the Benchmade. It is a Smoky Mountain Knife Work exclusive. It was an M4 blade steel. Here it is with the scales on. Let's get a nice close look at that. Look at that beautiful scales right there. Let's look at the back. M4 with a nice new clip. You can look at the clip on the side. Blade on the top. So there you go. Let's do a quick zoom. See these scales right here? Backspacer here. Inside. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. A very cool little knife here. M4 blade steel with titanium scales. These are Rockscale designs. Hey, don't forget to use RNKRSD. You get 10% off if you make a purchase there with my channel code. Ooh, look, I found a screw that needs to go in the bag. Don't want to lose those. I bet that was in the background the whole time. So let me just put that in there so we don't lose it real quick. There we go. All right, so again, here is the knife. Beautiful blade. Very cool. Back. The action's going to be good. Once that Loctite locks in, I think it's going to be really nice. I like this a lot. That's cool. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps the channel, allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Seriously, thank you. To all of you who watch, who like, who subscribe, genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button so you can be notified of future content like this video. And also to all my channel members, a big, huge shout out. I know I'm saying this really fast. I got to hurry up. Got to get my son to school. Real quick, a huge shout out to all you guys. I really appreciate you guys. If you've been on the fence, you've been thinking you want to become a channel member, check out the description down below. 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't feel pressured. I do try to do something nice, like a once a month giveaway to all the channel members. And I do try to send out stickers to anybody who's been a member, haven't asked, or just became a member. Email me with your name and your address, and I'll mail you out a sticker. It's my way to say thank you. Also some extra stuff that we do for the channel members, just kind of cool stuff. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys. Just want you to know that you mean the world to me, especially a lot of you, you've been here since the very beginning, and that is super awesome. And if you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.